everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel by Literacy Now. I'm Diana and today I'm going to teach you how to create the rainbow style using one of my fonts, Be in Tulum. Okay, so the very first thing you have to do is, of course, choose your font and then choose the size of the font. So I'm going with my own font, Be in Tulum, and then I'm changing the size to 150. Now, to achieve the rainbow look, it takes a little bit of work because you have to individually highlight the letters and then change the color of each one. So as you see in the video, I highlighted the T and then I changed the color to pink, and then I highlighted the E and changed the color to purple. And you're going to see me do that throughout the entire video. I'm going to go letter by letter and then change every single color until I get that rainbow look. So keep watching. Okay, and here's the final look of the word teacher using the rainbow style. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and I will be adding more tutorials in the future.